y'all, it's your man Aaron Derell here, back with another tutorial. This week it is to Get You Home by Tink. As you just saw me get down just a little bit, I'm gonna break it down for y'all so then you can do it at home. Here we go, starting with the chorus. You had your left hand up, and we call this the stripper leg. That's what I know it to be called. Could be called other things, but you're shaking. And you do it 4 times each corner, right? So you step and you drop your hip. You pull it up and you drop it down. So you have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Turn other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 again. And 1, 2, up, down, up, down, up, down again. Boom, 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 and boom. Forgive my voice. Anyway, so what you're going to do is know that it's on beat and it's a little faster. So it's a shoot, 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 okay? So make sure you practice and watch the video ahead of time so you can see how fast it is. So I'm gonna do it one more time on tempo just for you. You have 1, 2, 3, twist. 1, 2, 3, twist. 1, 2, 3, twist. 1, 2, very good. Next thing we're gonna do, stank your leg, modified a little bit. So you have single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. And single, single, double. Now, you wanna make sure your stanky leg is stank and slank. That's why I like to use the word slanky, yes? Woo, so don't go unless that's your flavor. That's your flavor, tap it on out, all right? But to know, you go single, single, ooh, real smooth, yes? So I'm gonna do that part one more time. I'm gonna move on. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good, almost there. So we have the first verse, which we repeat every time a verse comes on. You're gonna do a tap back, hop to the right, tap back, hop to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. Last thing, you're going to swing and around. You swing in, out, around. Swing, around, swing, swing, around. Very good. So from there, because I lied, it's not the last thing, but dance teachers always say that. It's the last time, and it's really not, right? So, excuse me, you're gonna do a nice juicy plie, yes? Juicy, what you mean by juicy? Juicy, yes? So you're gonna do 4 of those. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Turn this way, to the left. You're gonna rock. 2, switch the other side, rock, and rock. And here we go. You're gonna melt. Nice and smooth, take it up, and glide it in, melt. Down, bring it up, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's all for Get You Home by Tink with your man Aaron Derell. Watch the video, practice, send me your videos. I'd love to see it. Just hashtag it, Live, Love, Groove, or Aaron Derell Fitness. I totally would love to see what you guys are doing at home. Thank you for your time. Live well, love hard, and groove forever. Thank you. Love Aaron Derell.